Royal commentators have admitted that they were taken by surprise at Princess Charlotte's latest appearance. This comes after Prince William and Kate, the Duchess of Cambridge's only daughter, celebrated her birthday on May 2. AirPod host Omid Scobie discussed this plus her mother's photography skills with ABC News producer Zoe McGee. Mr. Scobie told listeners, "Princess Charlotte turned 6, looking very grown up." A portrait released by Kensington Palace featured Charlotte in a blue floral dress with her hair down. It was taken by the Duchess of Cambridge very recently at their home in Norfolk. "I think we're used to seeing these annual portraits of the kids taken by Kate," he continued. "But for this one, I don't know why, but it took me by surprise how she'd suddenly gone from being a tot to almost a young lady." Ms. McGee agreed, adding that the young royal looked like a confident little girl in the photograph. She went on to note that the princess floral dress was very similar to the style that her mother is often seen in. The commentator added that it was always nice to see photographs of the Cambridge children taken by Kate. Ms. McGee told the podcast, "Obviously she knows the subjects better than anyone else. She always captures very good images." Mr. Scobie gave further insight into the Duchess' photography skills. He explained, "A fairly prolific photographer told me that he had really noticed how much Kate's photography skills had progressed over the years. The little things that only experts would notice in photography are there. They're starting to see some of the more amateur signs in a less experienced photographer's pictures disappear. Shusha's really showing that polish and that Shusha's putting the time in. She gets very natural shots, very natural reactions and poses from her children."